Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to pop the hood on the modern marketing engine. We're going to see how a truly integrated system isn't just about spending money. It's about building a machine designed to generate a massive, and I mean massive, measurable return.
So let's start with a big one. It's the question pretty much every business leader is asking. How do we make sure every single dollar we put into marketing, sales, and customer service is actually working for us? You know, it might sound a little too good to be true, but what if I told you it's not only possible, but it's being done? Let's get right into the numbers.
And there it is, $4.63. That's the return for every single dollar invested into a completely integrated customer experience. Now, this isn't a lucky guess or some marketing fluff. This is a calculated outcome from a system where every single piece is connected, tracked, and measured.
Okay, so that number naturally leads us to the $4 question. Where in the world does that return actually come from? Well, we're about to break it down and see the financial power of looking at the entire customer journey, not just little pieces of it.
And this is the most crucial part. This return on investment, the ROI, it isn't some vague metric. Nope, it is a hard financial calculation. In a system like this, every dollar is accounted for, from the very first ad someone clicks, all the way to the customer support they get after they've already bought something.
Now check this out. This is where it gets really fascinating when we break down that ROI. Marketing, as you might expect, delivers a huge return, over $8. But look at this. Employee experience, EX, brings in over $4. Why? Think about it. Happy, well-equipped employees lead to way better customer interactions. A smooth user experience, or UX, adds another $1.50. It just goes to show that investing in your own team and your own product pays off, literally.
But here's the thing. You can't get numbers like that if you're just flying blind. The secret sauce is measuring the entire experience from a single unified command center. Because let's be real, you can't fix what you can't see.
So let's just make sure we're on this same page. When we talk about customer experience, or CX, what do we actually mean? It's the grand total of everything. It's the ad they saw, the website they browsed, the salesperson they spoke to, the support ticket they filed. Every single one of those touch points adds up to create their overall feeling about your company. And this is how you track it all. Think of this as the central nervous system of the whole operation. It's a dashboard that pulls in data from those four key areas: marketing, UX, employee experience, and customer service. And it doesn't just show you your numbers, it shows you how you stack up against the rest of your industry. Let's drill down on an example. Here's the lead conversion rate, basically how many potential customers actually become leads. It's at 1.5%. Now, the dashboard immediately tells us that's right in the healthy middle of the industry benchmark, so not world-beating, but solid. They're on the right path. Or how about this one, customer acquisition cost, or CAC. This is simply what it costs to get one brand new customer. At $200, they're sitting comfortably right in that industry sweet spot. This is a huge deal. It means their marketing is efficient. They're not just throwing money away to get new customers. And see, it goes way beyond just marketing spend. The Net Promoter Score, which is a great way to measure customer loyalty, is a really strong 65%. This tells you that the customers they're bringing in are actually happy. And we all know, happy customers are the key to long-term success. So, how do they pull this all off? All right, so we've seen the impressive results and we've seen how they're measured. Now it's time to pull back the curtain and look at the actual machine that makes it all run. We are going inside the marketing engine.
Okay, I know. At first glance, this looks incredibly complicated. But don't get intimidated. Just think of it as the detailed blueprint for our engine. This diagram lays out all the interconnected tech, the MarTech and AdTech, that work together to handle customer data from start to finish.
To really get it, let's just break this whole thing down into 3 simple steps. First, the engine collects data from all over the place. Second, it pulls all that data together and analyzes it to figure out who the customer is. And third, it uses that knowledge to go out and talk to the customer in a personalized way. Collect, analyze, activate. That's it. So let's actually follow a piece of data on its journey through this system. We'll see how it gets from the outside world deep into the heart of the engine, starting with collection. The journey starts everywhere. Seriously. The engine is pulling in data from social media ads, what people click on the website, info from the CRM, notes from call center conversations, even financial data from the company's core systems. It's a huge net. And this is all powered by real, specific technologies. You have tools that act like little data collectors, grabbing user behavior online.
Then all of that raw info gets piped into a massive data warehouse, where it can all be stored and neatly organized, ready for the next step. Now, this is where the real magic happens. In this stage, you have AI and machine learning algorithms that just get to work. They dive into all that data, start connecting the dots between different systems, and build one single unified profile for each customer. They can even start predicting what that customer might want to do next. It's pretty incredible.
Finally, we activate. All those amazing AI-driven insights get fed into different platforms. For a B2B company, it might be a tool that helps target a whole list of companies. For a consumer brand, it might power those eerily specific social media ads you see. But the goal is always the same: get the perfect message to the right person at exactly the right time.
And this brings us right back to where we started. A finely tuned engine like this doesn't just make marketing better, it creates a predictable, reliable model for revenue growth. So let's take a look at the forecast.
This forecast models out the financial impact over the next 3 years. And it's not based on wishful thinking. It's based on making small, steady improvements across that whole customer experience, all made possible by the tech stack we just walked through. And would you look at that payoff? You start with a baseline revenue of around $485,000. In just the first year, it jumps to over $645,000. And by year 3, it's projected to nearly double the starting point. That right there is the power of an integrated system.
You know, when it's all said and done, it boils down to this one simple idea: the total ROI of the customer experience. That is the ultimate performance metric. It gets you away from chasing vanity metrics and instead connects everything you do, from marketing to support, directly to the bottom line: real, tangible business growth.
So this leaves us with one final question, and this one's for you to think about. When you look at your own organization, at your own team, is your engine really designed for this kind of integration? Is it being measured as a whole? And maybe the most important question of all, is it truly built for predictable, sustainable growth?